Okay, I'm going to have a crack at cleaning my carpet for the C4 Corvette. Alright, that's all of them there, as you can see. It's pretty filthy. Not too bad. That's in the back where you don't really, well, no one sits in there. These are on the side walls and the convertible bit, that bit there. You see that's pretty filthy. Pretty filthy where it never gets looked at and cleaned. So that goes on the back wall behind the seats. You can see that's where the gearbox tunnel is, the tail shaft tunnel. It's pretty, not too bad, but it's filthy. There's no stains or anything on it, it's just dirty. And these are the front left and right footwells, and that's under the seats where you don't see. That's where the seats attach to. I understand them getting dirty. But yeah, if you look there, there's a little bit of a water leak which I've discovered at the inside drain pipe, which comes up from the top of the windscreen cowling to let all that water out. It's got, I've just found it's had a slight crack in the pipe, so that's where that water, it was only a little one, but it was enough for me to see. And the driver's side, pretty disgusting. It's like something's been dropped down here once upon a time. Alright, here we go. Got a couple of hours of hard sweaty work, but gonna have a crack and want this nice and clean, see if we can salvage them, because there's no holes in them, they're just dirty. Alright, see you soon. Alright, I'll show you what I used to soak down these pieces and the carpets, all the carpets with. I used this stuff. It's not meant for this, but I thought, well, why not? Cleans the car pretty good, so why not? Boat and snow job. I just thought I'd use this to soak everything in, which I've done right here already. So I've soaked all these, and quite simple. That's the bottle. You buy a bottle, hooks on the end of the Katacha. It's the gurney gun, and adjust the nozzle to your liking and do this. So that's it. I thought that'd be pretty good just to soak, you know, some soap suds into the carpet, let it sit for a little bit. Put it this way, I can't see how it would hurt. So yeah, just let that sit there and soak for a good, 20 minutes, half an hour. By the time I get to the pieces, it will be anyway. And when I do that, then I went and got some good heavy-duty degreaser and sprayed it on top of it. And then I got that scrub brush right there, and I literally just scrubbed it. And I'll tell you what, after 27 years, there was it might have looked okay, that carpet, but there was plenty of dirt in there, and anyway, I've scrubbed it. Now what I'm going to do to get rid of all that soap suds is use the Katacha, this one. This nozzle that I'm using is not really high pressure. It is high pressure, but it's not going to blow my foot off if I put it right up against it, Nelly. It's quite tame, but it'll do the trick for sure, and it'll get deep without ripping this carpet up. So I'll show you how powerful it is. I'll put it on my foot. then I'll just show you while I clean a bit of it off, and I won't go too far because I don't want to bore you to death. So here we go, I'll just turn it on, give me a second. As you can see, it's not ripped my foot apart, so it's not going to rip the carpet apart, but it does tickle when it's that close. But yeah, do this. So there you go, that's all I'll do. I haven't finished rinsing it off just yet. I need to use 2 hands, so yeah, so I'm going to have to give it another good rinse off now, front and back, get all that soap suds right off it. But yeah, I'll return when everything's been washed and they're all dry. See ya. Alright, here's all the carpets. I've cleaned them. They've dried for a couple of days out in the sun, and this is the end result. There those kickboards go along the inside of the console tunnel. That one there, that goes in the back, that's the speakers in the back because it's convertible. Those are the 2 boxes. Good look at that. There's your front door channels. There's your 2 over the back wheel arches, and where the convertible seat belts, everything all click in. That looks a bit grubby, but it's not. It's underneath where all the seat belts go. And the most important bits, the front and left footwells. And you remember this one was putrid around here. It's pretty good now. A couple of the marks just there, but you don't see them, it's hidden. They were putrid. That was pretty disgusting, especially up in that top corner. And little mark there. As that is, that's in the back of the seat where the seats go, and all the way up to there. A little tiny rip there, that's the only one where we put our feet. That was absolutely putrid. That was the worst bit right there, because that was where when the master cylinder let loose, the slave cylinder, master cylinder let loose underneath the where the joint under the brake booster, it all dropped all its fluid there, and it was filthy, but got it all clean. Yeah, that's it. They all come out, not new, but pretty close to it. They look pretty good. So probably save myself, whatever it might cost for a new set of carpet. Probably save myself a good $1,000 or so. Well worth it. Alright. If you haven't done it to yours, do it. It works. See ya.